In this video, we will discuss the 5 best new version 3D printers on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Phrozen Sonic Mighty Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D printer represents a remarkable leap forward in desktop 3D printing technology, delivering exceptional quality and performance in a compact package. With its groundbreaking 8K resolution and exact 28K detail capability, this printer transforms intricate design concepts into stunningly crisp physical models without compromising size or complexity. The printer's engineering is particularly impressive, featuring a robust 10 LCD screen and 23.5 cm dual linear rails that enhance both print quality and durability. Its mono LCD design significantly extends the machine's operational lifespan, making it an excellent investment for hobbyists and professionals alike. Despite its powerful specifications, the Sonic Mighty 8K maintains a remarkably compact footprint, ensuring it can seamlessly integrate into various workspace configurations. Number 2. Flashforge 3D Printer. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer emerges as a powerhouse of innovation, designed to transform creative concepts into tangible realities with remarkable speed and precision. Engineering excellence is evident in the printer's Core XY structure in all-metal frame, which provide exceptional stability during high-speed printing. The versatility of multiple nozzle sizes allows users to balance speed and intricate detail, ensuring consistently impressive print quality across various projects. Intelligent features like pressure sensing, automatic bed leveling, eliminate manual calibration, making the printing process incredibly user-friendly. The Adventurer 5M Pro truly shines in its smart connectivity and user experience. With the FlashMaker mobile app, users can enjoy remote video monitoring, real-time progress tracking, and comprehensive printer management. Number 3. ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra 3D printer represents a remarkable leap forward in resin printing technology, delivering exceptional performance and precision for enthusiastic professionals alike. Engineering excellence is at the heart of the Saturn 3 Ultra's design. The advanced Cobb and refractive light source technology ensures uniform light distribution, resulting in smoother model surfaces and superior printing accuracy. Dual heat-conducting copper tubes and integrated cooling fans optimize heat dissipation, extending the printer's operational lifespan and maintaining consistent performance across extended printing sessions. The intuitive 4-inch HD IPS touchscreen, multilingual support, and Wi-Fi file transfer capabilities make this printer exceptionally user-friendly, positioning the EIHQ Saturn 3 Ultra as a standout choice in the realm of high-resolution resin 3D printing. Number 4. QIDI 3D Printer. This 3D printer emerges as a sophisticated printing solution that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly design. The full auto-calibration system, powered by dual sensors, simplifies the printing preparation process, while the innovative Hall filament runout sensor provides real-time monitoring to prevent printing failures. The printer's active heating chamber temperature control system, capable of maintaining temperatures up to 60 degC, represents a significant advancement in print quality, particularly for challenging filaments like ABS and PC that require consistent thermal environments. Designed with accessibility in mind, the Q1 Pro offers an impressively quick setup, allowing users to transition from unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes. The integrated 1080p HD camera enables remote monitoring and time-lapse photography, while the mobile app provides comprehensive control. Number 5. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D printer represents a quantum leap in desktop printing technology, delivering unprecedented performance that transforms the creative process for hobbyists and professionals alike. Engineering excellence is evident in the printer's sophisticated design features. The clog-free direct extruder and innovative tri-metal unicorn nozzle enables seamless handling of challenging materials, including carbon fiber filaments, ensuring consistent extrusion and remarkable reliability. Its one-tap auto-calibration system simplifies setup, while dynamically balanced printed fans minimize vibration imperfections like ringing and ghosting, guaranteeing exceptional print precision. Intelligent technology further elevates the Konec's capabilities. The integrated AI camera provides continuous real-time monitoring, detecting potential printing anomalies and supporting time-lapse photography. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.